Here's how prefab wall installation takes shape: fast, precise, and built to last. The process begins with site marking and pole fixing. Each pole is dug 2 feet deep, placed in concrete, and aligned carefully to ensure perfect spacing and balance, forming the base for the prefab wall. Next, the panels are positioned manually between the poles. Each panel fits securely, forming a strong and uniform wall line. The interlocking design ensures every panel stays firm and stable. No welding or heavy machinery needed. Once panels are fixed, mortar is applied along the joints for added strength and sealing. After a quick cleanup, the wall is ready for use. Fast to install, durable in all weather. Justfence prefab walls, the smart way to build strong, lasting boundaries.